Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the unboxing of this toolkit from Bosch. Let me unbox this for you and show you what's inside this box and what are the different parts that you can get in this toolkit. So as you can see guys, this is a very good, very big size toolkit. The name is Bosch Home Smart Kit for universal use. The model number is SB500RE. In this toolkit we get a lot of accessories, got 6 months warranty. Let me look at the back. Okay, so we have a list of all the accessories that we get in this toolkit, including screws, measuring tape, pliers, adjustable wrench, hammer, knife, etc, etc. Now this toolkit comes in a suitcase like package. Let me open this up and show you this this thing. Now this is a very handy thing to carry and to keep your tools properly organized. I would recommend this for every household. Now it's clearly mentioned Bosch and the price is quite reasonable for this entire kit, this box, including this box. So this is the proper way of opening it. You should keep the Bosch logo on the top and then try to open this. Alright, so just flip this open. Okay, so let's see what we have in this box. Warranty cards. We have some documentation. Designs like that. Okay, so since this box came by post, all the things are moved from their location. Okay, so the first thing that we have is a set of pliers. Okay, we keep it here. A wrench. It says 6-inch 150 mm. Forged steel. Okay, so this wrench goes here. It's properly locked. It's a very good seal here. A hammer, that's a very useful thing. A hammer. And this also has this rubber grip to hold it. Okay, now this is a spirit level. It's made of plastic, so I fear I don't break it. That was tough. Okay, so this is the spirit level. As you can see, I don't have much use for it though. We have this set of screws, I think, what do you call them? Let's keep it here. The important part of this is this drill bit. So we have the drill bit, I mean the drilling machine, and we have this thing to tighten the machines I don't know how to keep the wires. I think maybe like this. Okay. In the second part of the box, let's rotate this and let me show you what we have in this part. The first thing we have is this high quality cutter. So it's quite a good high quality cutter here. Some instructions are given here. You can also change the blade of the cutter if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you can take out the rear part of the cutter and replace the blade. That's what it's mentioned here. We have some kind of holder for, I don't know what it is for. It's quite a few small things here. We have the measurement tape, the standard measurement tape. Yeah, it's pretty okay. Important thing is that we have a section for keeping the screws. Now each screw is mentioned here, 5 mm, 10 mm, etc. There are some screws with this parts. It's a good place to keep the screws in pouch packs, so don't lose them. There are 3 different sections. Okay, so that quite seals very well. 3 different sections for screws. Now these are the drill bits for, let me guess, I think it's for wood maybe, or for drilling into concrete. No, this is I think for wood. By looking at the tip, I think it's for wood or metallic probably. It's very sharp. This one is for drilling into concrete. We have this screw, I think, I don't know. Let me check if I'm missing something. Okay, so that's it guys. This is my unboxing video of this Bosch toolkit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.